Wall bridge pulses. So you're going to put your feet against the wall and you're going to push your hips up into a bridge and pulse your knees out and in. Wall clamshells. You're going to put your heel, so on your toe, you're going to put your heel back against the wall, and your bent knee, you're just going to turn it out slightly. You're going to feel this in your glutes. So heel against the wall, bending your knee, and then turn that knee like you're opening your hips. Wall dead bugs. So hands on the wall. You're laying on the floor, hands on the wall. Your knees are up, and what you're going to do is stretch one leg out at a time. Wall knee to chest. Feet are on the wall, and you're going to bring one knee to your chest at a time for a stretch. Diaphragmatic breathing. What you're going to do is you're going to inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale through pursed lips for 6 to 8 seconds.